No Washington estate plan is safe unless you do this. Hey everybody, I'm Christopher Small. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well, and I'm here to drop some knowledge on you. If you need help with estate planning or probate, and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can do so by going to cmslawfirm.com. Okay, so what are we talking about today? The only way to keep your Washington state estate plan safe is to give your crazy uncle $1. All right, we're going to go in more depth on this, but there is something in Washington called the Trust and Estate Dispute Resolution Act. We in the business call it TEDRA. TEDRA is something that Washington state legislators created. I think the idea was to be able to easily correct estate planning mistakes, oversights, unintended consequences, to make sure that things happened correctly. But what they did was really create a scenario where almost any estate plan can be changed if all of the beneficiaries agree to the change. So, for example, I have a bunch of kids. If I had a trust that said my kids only receive distributions for health, support, education, and maintenance, nothing else, and they were not happy with that, when I was gone, they could technically do something called a TEDRA and change the entire trust in whatever way they want. As long as all of the beneficiaries agree, it is possible to change an estate plan. Okay, this is the key, and here's where your crazy uncle gets involved. If all of the beneficiaries agree. So if you have a scenario where your family knows about TEDRA, most people don't know about it. I think this is probably why this doesn't happen very often, and they want to try to change this plan, they need everyone to agree. If not everyone agrees, it can still happen, but it's a completely different process. It's a lot more involved. It's a lot more expensive, and there is the opportunity or the chance, the likelihood that the changes aren't going to be made. All right. So you have your crazy uncle involved. You're going to give him $1 or something, maybe $1 a year forever. That way he's always involved in the trust. Okay. And if the kids want to change the distribution structure of the trust, they're going to have to get the crazy uncle involved. And the crazy uncle, as we all know, he doesn't want to do anything. So he's not signing anything. He's not participating in anything. So they're going to have to go make those changes the hard way. So involve your crazy rich uncle. Crazy, not rich, just crazy. Involve your crazy uncle if you want to make sure your Washington estate plan is locked down. All right. Hope this made sense. If it did, great. If it didn't, leave a comment, ask a question, subscribe if you want more videos like this. And if you need help with estate planning or probate and you'd like us to do it, go to cmslawfirm.com, set up a time for us to chat. Okay. As always, I am Christopher Small. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. Appreciate you. I'll talk to you again